Hello everyone. So today we'll be starting a new topic, types of sentences. Now to speak, read and write we make use of sentences. So let's learn what a sentence is now. A sentence is a group of words that make sense. जो words sense बनाते हैं that is known as a sentence. A collection of words that are arranged to put forward a sensible thought. Now what this means, a sentence is a collection of words or it is a group of words that are arranged in such a way that they put forward a sensible thought. जिसमें बिल्कुल proper sensible thought आता है, that means a sentence. That means they tell us something which makes sense. It is sensible to us. A sentence expresses a complete thought, a complete sense. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with appropriate terminal punctuation mark. So always remember that a sentence always begin with a capital letter, but they end with a full stop, a question mark or a exclamation mark also. A sentence has at least one subject and one verb. So always a sentence should be having one subject and one verb. So I'll give you an example. A big house he lives in. Now though these are only a group of words, सिर्फ ये words हैं, but they are not making any sense, but it is not making any sense. So we cannot call this a sentence. A big house he lives in. It is not making any sense. Now let's rearrange these words. He lives in a big house. Now these group of words make some sense. अब ये सारे words क्या हो रहे हैं? Sense बना रहे हैं. So it is known as a sentence. Now let's see the different types of sentences. Kinds of sentences, and these are the different types of sentences. First is declarative, interrogative, exclamatory and imperative. Now let's understand each of them. Assertive sentences, assertive or declarative. Assertive sentences is also called declarative sentences. हम assertive sentences को क्या बोलते हैं? Declarative sentences also. Now what is assertive and declarative sentence? The sentences which state or declare something, they are called assertive sentences. And they end with a full stop. कैसे end होते हैं? Along with a full stop. Assertive sentences can be affirmative, that means it can be positive and it can be negative also. Clear? वो positive भी हो सकते हैं and वो negative भी हो सकते हैं. It's warm today. They are declaring something, so it is a positive. Next, it's not warm today. That makes a negative sentence. Clear? Now we should always remember that assertive and declarative sentences end with the full stop. Full stop is very important. Now these sentences are stating something or telling us something or informing about something, because also they are known as assertive and declarative, and they ends with a full stop. Clear? Note, some sentences that contain not or no are called negative. जिसमें not and no use होते हैं, that are known as negative sentences. Now let's see the next type of sentences. Now see the examples of declarative sentences. The sky is blue. Now they are declaring something, they are stating something. I am a third grade student. We will go to the movies tomorrow. He is a great reader. We have a program in the morning. Now these sentences are stating something or telling us something or informing us. So they are known as assertive, and they are also ending with a full stop. Clear? Now let's see the other one. Interrogative sentences. Now a sentence that asks question is called an interrogative sentence. Interrogative means to ask question. जब हम किसी से questions पूछते हैं, that sentences are known as interrogative. Any sentence which wants to know something is called interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence always end with a question mark. Question mark is very important in interrogative sentence. Now let's see the examples now. May I borrow your newspaper? Again a question mark. Did you turn the light off? What is your favorite song? Do you ride the bus? Have you ever visited New York City? Now, all these sentences are asking question and they all end with a question mark. So, they are called interrogative sentences. Now, let's see the other examples of interrogative sentences. Can you repeat the question? Are we going to have recess today? What is your favorite movie? How do you answer this question? Do you have an extra pencils? Now all these sentences are asking questions. सब आपसे question पूछ रहे हैं and also they are ending with a question mark. So they are all called interrogative sentences.